keeper from that almost euphoric position of snapping this 13-game winless run, now find themselves having to get back into the game. Hasley, oh goodness, Hasley! What a goal from Eric Hasley! You will not see better than that. Right-footed across Casey Keller. What a night at Questfield. Look at those fans going delirious in the corner. It's 2-2.
Wow. I mean, you're talking about at this point in the season, this is the goal of the year. He knows what he wants to do from the most difficult angle, and he just takes this, caresses it, missed touch from Alonso, pulls it up and looks for the surprise element, and that's 10 out of 10 on that strike right there.
Ozzy
That is
Alonso,
world class, fantastic.
the hero moments ago, gives the ball away in the penalty area, but what about that from Hasley? His first goal from open play since the opening day of the season, his 6th goal of the season, and his 2nd tonight. Evans. Goodness me, what drama here at Questfield.